That was a cold start of our Lexus SC430. No surprise there, starts right up, running nice and smooth, and we'll get up to operating temperature. While we're in here, figure I'll show you some of the interior features here that you'll see in the auction listing. So to access the radio controls, 6-disc CD changer, all right under there. Otherwise, hidden in this nice wood trimmed panel. For the navigation system, just click that open button, pops right up, agree to drive safely, and there you have the nav screen there. But if you want to hide that from view, just focus on your driving, you can just hide that right up. But other than that, everything up to temperature, or we'll get up to temperature, but everything is operational as expected. Just over 31,600 miles. We have climate controls running. We don't need it too cold right now, but obviously you can play with that. It has 2-zone climate controls, so your passenger, if they like it cooler, warmer, whatever it is. And then pop out cup holder, so everything. And then right here we have heated seats, both sides, off, and so everything is as expected for a car like this in a condition like this. So you will see everything else you need to see in the auction. We're actually about to take this out for a driving video just to let you guys know how it runs and drives, and we will post that below as well. So all good here. Thank you for watching, and good luck in the auction.